Hello, everyone. This is what's jumping in my pot today. Honey hot ham and cheese butter biscuits. Let's get to it.
So what's the first step for this recipe?
Okay, we're going to I'm using self-rising flour. We're going to add self-rising flour to the bowl. Sugar. Cayenne pepper. We're going to add diced ham, shredded cheddar cheese. Going to mix all of this up.
Oh, this is different. I've never seen it done this way before.
Then we're going to make a well in the bottom. And we're going to add the buttermilk.
Kind of remind me of the Red Lobster cheddar biscuits.
Well, yes, but they don't have ham in theirs. We're going to mix all of this up together. Now we're mixing everything up together.
Remember, everyone, the ingredients for this recipe will be in the description box below. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment on the video.
I have a baking dish here, and I'm going to put a stick of butter in it. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave and let this melt for about 20 seconds. I've taken it out of the microwave. The butter has melted. Now this is what we do. We put the biscuit mix into the baking dish.
This is a really easy dish to make. It doesn't even look like it takes that long either. What would you say about
It takes about 35 minutes. 10 minutes prep time and 25 minutes to bake.
Oh, that's really good. It's a really quick Saturday morning or Sunday morning breakfast.
Spread everything out.
Also, this recipe is not that expensive either, so it's kind of sort of a budget dish. It doesn't really require a lot of money being spent. Maybe the ham probably costs the most, or the buttermilk, but the rest of the stuff you could find in your pantry, right?
Yeah, the flour. The average person have flour, cheese.
And all the ingredients for the hot honey sauce.
So everything spread out nicely. And then we're going to take a knife, a paring knife. We're going to cut it down the middle into squares.
This is almost like a drop biscuit.
Yeah, yes, it is. Sort of like a drop. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the oven for about 25 minutes and let it bake. And my oven set to 380 degrees. Now, while the biscuit is cooking in the oven, we're going to make the hot honey sauce. I have honey and I have hot sauce, cayenne pepper hot sauce. This is what I'm using.
There's different versions of the hot honey sauce, but you're doing your version. I know some people use red pepper flakes, some people use sriracha. You're doing your version of it. You're doing a more simplified version.
Yes, I am.
So you don't want to overpower the biscuits.
Because they already put cayenne pepper in the biscuit.
Right. You don't want to overpower it. So I could totally understand why you're just going to go with a simplified version.
Now we mix this up. And set it to the side and wait on the biscuit. I've taken it out of the oven, and now we're going to add the hot honey sauce.
Wow, that looks really good. Can't wait to try it. Looks amazing. So you cutting it up to serve it.
Yes.
Let's see how it came out on the inside.
Always hard to get the first piece out.
Wow, that looks really, really good.
It's all plated up. Enjoy. Well, I'm going to let my son try a piece of the breakfast biscuit.
This tastes really good. Sweet and the heat together gives it a very unique flavor. Good combination. Very hearty breakfast. Too. Very filling. This is excellent.
If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And if you like, you can try out some of my older breakfast video in the screen below. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye. Hit that like button.